Just out on a cruise on the side-by-side. Just looking around. I've never noticed this before. I have to go check that out. What have we here? What have we here? Somebody's been like quadding over here. It's not just me. Old Mercury. How long's this been up here? I never knew this was here. Flathead. Yep. And this too. 2 water pumps. And obviously it's got a flat head. What a find. What a find. Step side. We can truck it straight. Obviously he's got some rust, which I would expect. Door's wired shut. Glass is in it, back window's broke. Ow, can you see that? No. I want it. I want it, I want it. Tree hasn't quite grown into the fender yet. Tree back there. Fender looks good. Doesn't got the ugly 5th wheel or spare tire. I mean. Oh shit! Is it locked? It can't be locked. There we go. Stinks like a mouse. To be expected. Headliner fell down. By George. Big old dent in the roof. That can easily be fixed. Somebody had her for a grain hauler. Well, this thing needs to be back on the road in some shape or form. I can't believe I didn't know it was here. This is like 2 miles from my house. Oh no, the C is missing for Mercury. Everybody always steals the headlights. Quite the view though. That truck's been having quite a view over the years. Just staring off in the distance, waiting for somebody to come save it. Well, this is a short one. I don't know what to say besides, I'm gonna make a phone call about this truck and see. Please check out my other videos. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for stopping by. Much appreciated. Talk to you later.